Good morning, students. Welcome back again for this online classes. Today, we are going to see subject EVS 2 of Standard 4th, lesson number 5, Shivaji's Education, part 1. Beginning of Shivaji's education. Shahaji, Shivaji and Jizabai were in Karnataka. Shivaji was of 7 years old, and it was time for him to start his studies or education. Shahaji himself was a scholar of Sanskrit. He had artists and scholars of various languages in his court. So he appointed intelligent teachers for Shivaji. Shivaji learned the art of reading and writing. So soon he began to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad on his own. Shivaji also learned horse riding, wrestling, to use swords and danpatta. At the age of 12, Shivaji became very perfect and talented with the different branches of learning and arts. At this time, Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje to conquer the state of Nayakas in Karnataka. Before leaving, Shahaji sent Jizabai and Shivaji to Pune, along with elephants, horses, soldiers, also trusted ministers, brave generals, and renowned teachers. Reservation of Pune. Jizabai and Shivaji returned to Pune. Shivaji Raje remembered his childhood and was very happy to see the peaks of Sahyadri again. Pune was totally destroyed by Shahaji Raje's enemy. Properties of the people were damaged. Houses were broken down. Temples also had fallen down. All the people were scared and left Pune. There were thick forests, and due to this, wolves came in the courtyard. Thus, Pune was totally destroyed. When people living around came to know that Jizabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they were overjoyed and became hopeful. Jizabai called the people and promised them that they will be safe in Pune. Therefore, people again started coming to Pune to settle down. Farmers started cultivating their land. Jizabai repaired all the collapsed temple and worship of God began morning and evening. Soon the Pune was changing to a progress. The achievements of Dadaji Kondev. When Jizabai and Shivaji were in Karnataka, Dadaji Kondev looked after the Pune's Jagir. He was the Subedar of Kondana. He was very faithful, strict and efficient and honest in whatever work he did. He was a person who followed strict disciplines. He worked with a devotion. He also built a big residence in Pune according to the order of Shahaji Raje. That order came to be known as Lal Mahal. Dadaji Kondev also encouraged the peasants. Here peasants means farmers, to cultivate the lands. He gave concession in the land tax. He also declared the prices for the people for destroying the wolves which were roaming at the countryside. So due to this, many wolves were killed. He also encouraged the farmers to come together and protect their lives and property from the gangs of robbers. Due to this, all the work which was done by Dadaji Kondev, people were very happy and satisfied. Shivaji's education. When Shivaji and Jizabai returned to Pune, his education began under the supervision of Jizabai. When they came from Bangalore, they were accompanied by intelligent teachers sent by Shahaji Raje. All the teachers taught him the art of learning, like science, branches of learning, and various languages. Shivaji also grasps the knowledge of excellent administration, war tactics, how to build the forts. He also learned the selection of horses, elephants, which were used in war at that time. He also learned the different ways of escaping from difficult enemy territories, and many other good things. Jizabai was very pleased to see Shivaji's progress in education. So, this was our part 1 of lesson number 5. Thank you.